सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स, डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल। रिगार्डिंग टू योर वन एंड ओनली, इट्स नॉट प्रॉब्लम, इट्स जस्ट लाइफ एज अ केमिस्ट्री। In previous video, we have discussed about the just different kinds of the halogen derivatives of just hydrocarbon. You can say we have discussed as a dichloromethane. We have discussed about the just haloform as a chloroform and iodoform, and we have just discussed about the CCl4 as a just carbon tetrachloride, as a pyrene, as a fire extinguisher. Now, I would like to go with the fourth important topic that is very important. This is the fourth important topic, that is your C, F, C and S. If we'll go with the just meaning of CFCS, then we can say these are known as chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons. What is the meaning of chlorofluorocarbon? Also called as just freons. Freons. If we'll go with the meaning of freons, what is the meaning of freon? Then we can say just chlorofluoro derivatives of methane and ethane are known as just your freons, or you can say just chlorofluorocarbons. If we'll go with the just chlorofluorocarbon, then first of all we have to take the preparation method. This is the preparation method. How we can get just your chlorofluorocarbon? By using just CCl4, we can get just your chlorofluorocarbon. If we'll go with the just examples, first of all we'll go with the examples of the just chlorofluorocarbon, then we can take a lot of example. This is your CHFCl2. You can take just C2. This is your F2. H2. This is your F2 and Cl2. We can take just example of CH2. This is the F and Cl. These all are the examples of just chlorofluorocarbon. Now the time to discuss about the preparation method. Preparation method. For the preparation method of just chlorofluorocarbon, it will use of Schwarz reaction, which we have discussed. If we want to get just fluor derivatives, then it will be used of different kinds of the just substance as a SbCl5, SbF5, as a AgF, as a SbCl3 also, and Hg2F2 also. If we want to change just chloroalkane to the fluoroalkane, bromoalkane to the fluoroalkane, then we can use Schwarz reaction. We have discussed in the previous video. Now the time to discuss about the preparation method. So here we can take just 3 of CCl4 as a carbon tetrachloride, and we can take just 2 of SbF5. You can say F3. Now if we'll go with the just formation, then here will formation as a, you can say SbCl3 as a antimony chloride. You can say it's a very important compound, antimony chloride, and for this valency is your 4, and you can take just 2 as a molecule. Sb is a balance. Now we want to go with the just balancing of the carbon. So here is the chlorine and fluorine. Here is the 4 2s are 8 chlorine. Here is the 4 3s are 12 chlorine. So what will be the structure? Here will 3 of CF2 Cl2. This is called as most common freon, 12. This is the one of the preparation method. By using another method, we can get your freon 12 also, because of this is the one of the important freon or carbon, chlorofluorocarbon, which is used in AC and different kinds of these refrigerators also. So here is your CCl2 4 plus 2 of HF. Here the presence of can be taken just as B F3. Here we can take the presence of SbF5. So here will formation of C, this is the F2 and this is the Cl2, and rest it will be 2 of HCl. So these are the two important preparation methods of the freon. Now the time to discuss about the just your uses, or you can say physical properties. So these are the physical properties. Physical properties. If we'll go with the just physical properties of the freons, then we can say freons are colorless, odorless, non-toxic, compound, This doesn't exist any kind of the corrosion, so you can say corrosionless bhi honge particular. These are gases, means exist in the gaseous form. And if we'll go with the just further, then these are also non-inflammable. That's why these can be used as a fire extinguisher. In spite of just CO2. These are the best fire extinguisher as compared to CO2. If there is a question which are the best fire extinguisher as compared to CO2, suggest the name, then you can use the freons, chlorofluorocarbon also. Now the time to discuss about the nomenclature. How we can nomenclature the freon. So here we use of first of all freon. Here we'll use of CBA, where C means carbon minus 1, B means hydrogen plus 1, and A means number of fluorine atom. Now the time to discuss about the nomenclature. If we'll go with the first structure, then this is the, as an example, this is the CHFCl2. The name is your freon. Carbon is your 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. We will not write the name numbering of carbon as a 0. Further, hydrogen is plus 1. So here is 1 hydrogen. So total hydrogen will be 2. Number of fluorine atom is your 1. So this will be as a freon 2 1. We can take another example, that is your C2H2, and this is the F2 and Cl2. So what will be the name? Here is the carbon is 2. So first of all we will write the name as a freon. Carbon minus 1, this will be 1. Number of hydrogen atom, this is the 2. So here will 3. And number of fluorine atom will be as a 2. So we can call it in practice as a freon 132. If we'll go with the further, then we can take the example of CH2FCl. If we'll go with the nomenclature, then it will be your freon. We can say freon, and here will be your carbon minus 1, so it will be 0, hydrogen plus 1. This is the freon 3, and number of fluorine atom as a 3 1. And if you want to go with the next, we can take these example in the practice. And next most common freon is your CF2Cl2. So this is the CF2Cl2. Number of carbon atom is 1. That's why it will be number of carbon atom during the nomenclature as a 0. for the hydrogen. So there is none of hydrogen, so here will 0 plus 1 as a 1. Here is the number of fluorine atom as a 2. So this will be the freon 1 2. It's a most common freon, most common freon. So this was about the just initial part as a preparation method, physical properties and the nomenclature of the freon. Now the time to discuss about the uses of freon. Then we can say these are the uses of freon. Uses of freon. First, we can take just as a fire extinguisher, best fire extinguisher. Number two, as application, we can take in just AC, air conditioner, and refrigerator. फ्रिज वगैरह में भी पर्टिकुलर्स का यूज करते हैं. This was about the application. As a solvent we can use, and further is your just impact on environment. So you can say free release of freon causes depletion of ozone gas in stratosphere. particular ozone gas का depletion कर देगा. That's why it causes ozone hole. This was the just impact on environment regarding to your CFCS. Now the fourth important topic is your, we can take as a DDT. That is very important. And what is that? Listen me carefully. So first of all, we'll go with the next topic, that is your fifth as a DDT. If we'll go with the just common name of the DDT, then it will be dichloro. D means dichloro. Again D means diphenyl. T means trichloro. Ethane. This is the D, dichloro, diphenyl D again, and trichloroethane. From trichloroethane it will be T. If we'll go with the discovery, then it was discovered by Paul Muller. Paul Muller was the scientist of the just DDT. If we'll go with this kind of the just insecticide, then it is used to kill the mosquitoes also, and it is also used as insecticide in agriculture field also. If we'll go with the chemical name or just IUPAC name of DDT, that is your, you can say 2,2. This is the 2,2. Here is the bis. Here is the bis. Bis means 2. 2,2 is the position, and bis means 2. According to just, you can say if there are two same groups as an organic substituent, then we can use for the 2 as a bis. For 3 it will be tris. For 4 it will be tetrakis, so on. So here will be 2,2 bis, and the bracket it will be just your dichlorophenyl, and dichlorophenyl will be as a number 4th position. So we can say This is the 4-chloro phenyl. This is the 111 trichloro trichloroethane as a name of IPC name of the DDT. Now the time to discuss how we can prepare. This is the most important, as I am repeating. This is the 2,2. This is the base 4-chlorophenyl. This is the 4-chlorophenyl, and this is the 111 trichloroethane. Now the time to discuss about the preparation method. Preparation method. DDT can be prepared by the reaction of chlorine. This is the chlorine and just you can say chlorobenzene. For this, it will be one molecule of chlorine and two molecule of chlorobenzene. So this is the chlorine CCl3 CH double bond O. Here is the two molecule of chlorobenzene. You can take as follows. From the para position you will take hydrogen. This is the another molecule of chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene. Here is your H, and the best water removing or dehydrating agent is your concentrated H2SO4. So the structure of DDT will be CCl3. This is the CH. These are the two free bond over here. One of the benzene ring. This is the Cl. This is another benzene ring as a Cl, and the name is your DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. This was about the initial part of the DDT. Now if I will go with the just uses, so we can take use over here. Uses as insecticide in agriculture and also used to kill mosquitoes, especially you can say just Anopheles and Aedes also. So this was about the just DDT, but DDT is toxic for the human body. So we can say DDT is a toxic substance for human body. It causes cancer also if it enters in any kind of the food chain. So this was about the DDT, diphenyl trichloroethane. Now the time to discuss about the most important compound as a fifth and last compound of this chapter. That is very important. As a sixth compound we can take as a your favorite, and it's too important as a pesticide, that is your BHC, because of we have discussed as a dichloromethane as a number 1, chloroform number 2, carbon tetrachloride number 3, as a 4 we have just discussed freon, and as a fifth we have discussed about the just your DDT. Now we will go with the sixth compound, that is your, you can say, BHC. Its full form is your benzene hexa. This is the benzene hexa chloride. B means benzene, H means hexa, C means your chloride. Other name are also, other name we can call it 666. Why? I'll explain. 666, this may be as follows, or you can write it as follows. 666, you can call it gamexene, gamexene, gamexene. It is also called as lindane, lindane. It is also called as hexachlorobenzene. So this was about the other name. Now the time to discuss about the preparation method. Preparation methods. If we'll go with the preparation method, then this is the benzene. If it is in the presence of light as a H mu or UV, ultraviolet, then here will require 3 molecules and all pi bond become dissociate. So this will be the structure Cl, 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 Cl. This is the Cl and this is the Cl. Here is the 6 carbon. Here is the 6 hydrogen in the benzene, and here is the 6 of Cl. That's why it is called as 666 as a 666, and it is used as best pesticide. But there are a lot of side effects of these compounds because this causes especially cancer in the human body. So this was about the some important derivatives of the, just you can say halogen derivatives of the alkane, and just you can say your particular benzene. So dear student, we'll meet in the next video with a new chapter. It was the last video for this chapter, and if you have any doubt regarding to the question, then you can ask through the just WhatsApp and by just sending me message in the drop box of the YouTube. Till then शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. यूं ही अपना प्यार देते रहिए, सब्सक्रिप्शन और प्लस शेयरिंग कंटिन्यू रखिए. डेफिनेटली वी विल विन, क्योंकि अभी तो स्टार्टिंग हुई है. स्टार्टिंग में पर्टिकुलर हम देख सकते हैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली 28 to 29 और 30 वीडियोस फर्स्ट चैप्टर के लिए हेलो एल्केन के लिए डाल दिया है. बहुत सारा कंटेंट आप लोगों के लिए हेल्प के लिए डाल दिया है. फिर भी इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट और एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी. टिल देन शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.